Last week I had a tutorial. How can I find a great esthetician? I listed some of the things that you need to do to search and to find that esthetician. Now this tutorial is more focused on the esthetician. What are the skills that an esthetician needs to have to attract clients? Many graduates of mine and also seasoned beauty therapists and estheticians always ask me, how can I become a successful and well-known professional? A successful beauty therapist and esthetician possesses several qualities that contribute to their success in their field. You might ask, Maria, what is the difference between a beauty therapist and an esthetician? Well, it's quite similar. It's only that an esthetician takes care of the face, hands and feet, makeup, waxing, and a beauty therapist does all that plus body care, and sometimes they will know how to do electrolysis and or laser. If this is your first time on my channel, my name is Maria and welcome to Aglaia Aesthetics Online. Been an esthetician, a master esthetician, an electrologist, an instructor, an examiner for many years. So I've seen a lot of things come and go. I also have an online aesthetics training for individuals that want to become a professional certified esthetician. Give me comments below. Love to connect with you. So let's get started. How can you become an amazing professional? Here are some key qualities that I feel are very important and are often associated with beauty therapists and or estheticians. So number one, in my opinion, is expertise. A good beauty therapist has a depth knowledge and skills in various beauty treatments and also skincare techniques. She knows her products inside out. She knows about makeup, how to beautify the face, nail care, and body treatments. They stay updated with the latest trends and advancements in the industry. Number two, communication skills. Effective communication skills is crucial in this profession. Beauty therapists must be able to listen clients' needs, understands their preferences, and provide clear instructions on the treatments and aftercare. They should also be able to educate their clients about skincare routines and product recommendations. Number three is client-centric approach. A great beauty therapist and esthetician focuses on providing excellent customer service and ensuring client satisfaction no matter what. They create a comfortable and welcoming environment, address client concerns, and they tailor each treatment to meet that individual needs. So it's not a cookie cutter. Every client has a personality. Every client has different needs. Number four, attention to detail. Precision and attention to detail are essential qualities for beauty therapists and estheticians. They work with intricate procedures like facials, waxing, nail treatments, requiring careful attention to ensure accurate and desired results. So for example, if you get a manicure, that the polish looks perfectly applied, that their cuticles are beautifully pushed in. If you get makeup done, that the lipstick looks amazing. If you're getting a facial, you are totally pampered and you feel like you are in heaven. Number five, hygiene and safety awareness. Maintaining a high standard of hygiene and safety is paramount. Beauty therapists follow strict protocols for sterilization, sanitation, and infection control to ensure the well-being of their clients. The next one is time management. Beauty therapists often work in a fast-paced environment with appointments scheduled back to back. But even though you should not feel that she is speeding things quickly, that her demeanor, the way she talks, her personality, it is very calming. Being organized and efficient with time management ensures that clients receive prompt and satisfactory services. Number 7, empathy and professionalism is, I think, the most important one. Estheticians, beauty therapists should demonstrate empathy and understanding towards their clients' concerns, making them feel valued and comfortable. Every client, no matter what background, no matter what race she is, that concern is important. Maintaining professionalism, confidentiality, and ethical practices is essential. Next one, continuous learning. The beauty industry is ever evolving with new techniques, new products, new machinery, new trends emerging regularly. Aesthetic professionals should be willing to adapt and engage in continuous learning to enhance their skills and offer the latest treatments. Remember, these qualities that I mentioned may vary from beauty therapist to another, as each individual bring their own unique approach and strengths to the profession. But you do need to follow certain strict protocols. Let me know below if you have any questions or concerns. If you have not subscribed yet, please consider it. Give me a like. Click on the notification bell so you will not miss any of my educational tutorials. And check this tutorial that I did last week about how can I find a good esthetician. I hope that you found this video to be informative and walk away with simple and easy tips in becoming the most professional, educated beauty therapist or esthetician. It's an amazing industry. Remember to treat yourself with love and respect. Respect your clients, respect the people around you and co-workers. Until the next time, take care and may God bless you.